is Suraa 2024. At dahil pinalad tayong magkampiyon sa GSKA 2024, halos 1 month din tayo mawawala sa school. Of course, including our players.
Wow!
So training starts now.
Let's go!
Our training and reception labs are done during that training.
Ha?
Of course, hindi mawawala yung mga setbacks and challenges. So hindi ito naatwasan yan. So yan, nene lang serve si matusok yung kalimot tao. So these are the minor setbacks lang naman sa training. Pero nagagawan din ng paraan.
Wow!
Of course, hindi naman lahat ay challenges at problema. Meron din namang mga rewards. So salamat sa aming mga parents na hindi nakakalimot at palaging nakagabay, nakasuporta sa aming team during the training and of course proper. We also install core values like pagiging makakalikasan during the training. So lahat ng ating mga boys ay kailangan malinis ng aming training venue nang sa ganun ay makaulit pa. So hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon ay naka-training lang, naka-focus sa training. Of course, may mga panahon ding nagkakasiyahan, nagkukulitan, naghahanap ng pwedeng gawin sa loob at sa labas ng court. Sa likod ng pawis, pagod, dugong nilaan ng mga bata ito sa training, ay piliin pa rin nating maging masaya. The opening day is finally here. Thank you po sa LGU Gensan through our SDO Gensan sa uniforms and all the accessories na available sa ating mga players and coaches. Maraming salamat po.
Wow!
So today is opening day at night parade. Of course, behave yung ating mga boys. Og tanawon pero wa ang kiat pa po sila ila. So all the divisions all over the Region 12 is here at Dallas on the City as the host for Suraa 2024, also known as Surgeon Regional Athletic Association. At dahil dyan sa host, siyempre, meron mga pasabog. May pa-chopper, may pa-spray ng juice, grapes, and the London flavor. At meron ding, of course, fireworks. Almost 6 to 7 minutes din yung aming fireworks. So, napakaganda, napaka-colorful. Siyempre, hindi tinipid. That's how Johnson hosts originally. Nais pa namin po salamat sa aming buting Mayor ng Gensan, Mayor Lurley G. Pacquiao, sa aming SDS ng Gensan, Sir Sagani de la Cruz, and to our Division Sports, Sir Ronald S. Rodin, to our principal sa Fatima National High School, Ma'am Mati Binapoles. Thank you po sa all-out support, especially sa equipments po na binigay ng school. To my co-coaches, Sir Jamar and Ma'am Edna, to our trainer, Sir Alex Dante, to all the parents and alumni na hindi nasawang sumuporta, to all the faculty and staff sa mga nakatid ng tulong, To all the players na nakalaro namin during the tune-ups and the proper, to all the coaches, sa mga tournament officials, maraming salamat po. This is General Santos City Baseball Secondary Team, your bronze medalist for ISRA 2024. Thank you and God bless everyone. Bye-bye!